Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute friendship flower. You will need 6 colors of cardstock. I used 2 shades of green, red, brown, and yellow, scissors, a printer, and an adhesive roller or glue. I used my Cricut cutting machine to cut out shapes of a child's hand, 3 leaves, and a circle with the printed friendship saying. You can cut the hands out by hand, but if you have any brand of cutting machine, this method is the easiest. I used the black Sharpie to add the vein to each leaf. I added a little adhesive on the back of each leaf and attached it to the stem. Place the hands in a circular shape to create a flower. Top with the friendship saying and glue everything together. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.